Stand by na po yung dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Security check. Draws for your lead, Mr. Environment. Harrod's Magic moving up down on the inside. Leon Pace comes next. Then running by the rail is Martin Noble running on the outside. Emergency call by the rail September morning and just one wing is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the half-mile pole with security check in command by about 4 lengths. Running now in second by the rail, Mr. Environment running on the outside, Leon Face as they race at the last 600. Security check. Leon Face now running in second on the outside. Mr. Environment, Harrod's Magic fading out. September morning closing in between runners and on the outside. Emergency call is Martin Noble as they swing for home. Security check still leading the field. Leon Face now moving up on the outside. Leon Face security check by the rail. Emergency call September morning with 100 to go. Leon Face now the leader by 2. And finally, Apoy Asuncion on Leon Face. Second September morning, then comes Mr. Environment. Security check, emergency call for your pen.
This is the running of the Norquist Trading Incorporated race number 11 trophy race and was won by Leon Face, jointly owned by the tandem of Aida and Joe Arceo, the rider Apoy Asuncion and Jesus Senson, the trainer. Before anything else, we would like to introduce to you from Maro First, Director Consular Maka Asisio III. Let's give it up for Cons Maka. And from Norquist Trading Incorporated, we have Mr. Ramon Varon and Miss Lex Baruga. Good evening. At kasama na natin yung mga ladies natin. All right, so we'll give them that later on. Meanwhile, to receive the award for on behalf of Mrs. Joe and Aida Arceo, Mr. June Reyes. Let's give it up for Mr. June Reyes, winning connections of Leon Face. And that one coming from Cons Maka and Miss Lex Baruga from Norquist. Congratulations. Also to trainer Jesus Senson and rider Apoy Asuncion. All right, up ahead is the San Miguel Beer Classic. That's the San Miguel Beer